Rolling plank with arm raised. The key with this one is that you want to be breathing out as you reach out with the arm, and then you're going to be breathing in as you transition to the other side. And as with most planks, you do want to keep the rest of the body tight and tense while you focus on your breathing. Bodyweight squats next. Main thing, just drive out those knees, make sure that back stays tight. Breathe out on the way up, breathe in on the way down. Push-ups are next, and so there are 3 ways to do this. If you want to make it harder, you can find something to prop your feet on, so you can do more of a decline push-up as you see right now. Definitely is more challenging on those shoulders, arms, and chest. But you're also going to just see you can also do a flat variation with the feet and hands on the ground, and you can also do an incline variation where your hands are going to be on the bench, or some implement where you can elevate. But the key is make sure you're breathing out as you push up, keep the core tense, and also the glutes. Kick it back with some reverse lunges, so just make sure you're stepping back, keep the chest and upper body upright, and you want to be breathing out as you come up, breathing in as you go down. Work that core with your push-up position plank. Main thing is you just want to stack your hands, your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulders directly on top of each other. Keep some tension in those quads, squeeze those glutes, and most importantly, breathe into your belly. Make sure those abdominals are tight. Finish off off this session with some cardio. Skater jumps are great for that. So you want to be bouncing from one foot to the next, landing nice and soft, and then driving with some acceleration.